Hi, delightful, you're welcome back. Today we are making rich and delicious vegetable soup. So in this channel we share a lot of Nigerian recipes and more. So subscribe and become part of our family. So I'm using 1 kg of goat meat and 1 kg of beef. I will also add some pomoh, that is cow skin. Then I will season with some grated onion and 2 seasoning cube. I'm using chicken and crayfish. These add a nice and rich flavor and taste to our proteins. I will also add some pepper. It gives a nice flavor and heat to the proteins. Then add some salt for taste. Then I will give this a good mix and then cover and simmer on a low heat for 15 to 20 minutes because we want the protein to absorb all the seasoning and give a rich and lovely taste. So after 15 minutes, the meat have bring out some juices. We'll add more water, then cover the meat to cook for more 25 to 30 minutes for it to become tender. So I'm using some African spinach, also known as green. This has a lot of health benefits. It packed with a lot of nutrients. So that is what I'll be using. I'll also use some water leaf. It has its own health benefits and some other nutrients. So I'm combining the two vegetables. I'm going to clean it up and then give it a thorough wash. And then I'll proceed to use my multi-purpose food processor to chop the vegetables. Technology has made everything easy for us, so no need to waste time while cooking. I will use it to chop the vegetable and you will see how nice the vegetables will be. You can also use a knife to chop the veggies into tiny pieces. But this method works better when you are cooking up a big pot of vegetable soup. So once I'm done, I will transfer it into a bowl to add to the soup later. So at this point, the meat is almost tender. Take it out of the meat stock, then sieve the meat stock and add it to the soup later. So in a separate pot, I will add 2 cooking spoons of palm oil, then add iru, that is locust bean, and fry this for a few minutes. Then I'll add some chopped onion and also fry this for like few minutes. I will also add a roughly blended mix of pepper and tomatoes and fry over medium heat for 5 minutes. Make sure you are stirring it often to prevent it from burning. So now I will add some prawn. I will also add some crayfish powder. Whenever you are making vegetable soup, make sure you add enough of crayfish because that's what enriches the flavor of your soup. So now I'll add the cooked proteins, then stir to combine everything together. This method enriches the flavor of our vegetable soup and make it more rich and delicious. So I will cover and allow it to simmer on a low. So I'm going to give it a good stir. Then add a little bit of our meat stock. So now I'm going to add the chopped vegetables. I'm adding water leaf. Then I will give it a good mix. and cover for it to simmer on a low heat for a few seconds. After about 30 seconds, I will give it a good mix again. That is, I'm going to give it a good stir. So at this point, I'm going to add the chopped African spinach, that is green amaranth. Then cover, allow it to simmer for a few seconds. Then I'll go ahead to give it a good mix. So to combine all the ingredients together. So if you watch our video to this point, please go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you get to know when a new video is dropped on this channel. And to all our subscribers and returning viewers, thank you so much for always tuning in to watch and coming back. God bless you all. Like this video, share to your friends and loved ones who might like to watch this video. So after we have added the crayfish and the minced stock, then we'll cover, allow it to simmer for a few seconds, and our soup is ready. So remember to hit the like button, share and comment. Thank you. So you enjoy your vegetable soup with any of your favorite fufu. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.